WordPress 4.0 Benny, named after jazz great Benny Goodman, is all about deepening the seamless experience of creating, managing, and publishing your content. When you next use the editor to publish a post or page, you'll notice that everything you need, from the toolbar to your publishing options, stays at your fingertips, however far into the post you go. That means less scrolling and more focus on creating your work. In older versions of WordPress, embedding media meant previewing or publishing to see how it would look on your site. In 4.0, when you add a link for, let's say, a YouTube video, the video appears right there in your post. And the same goes for tweets and other embeddable media. So when you hit publish, there are no surprises. Finding new ways to enhance and expand on what your website can do is now a lot more intuitive thanks to the new plugin browser. There, you'll find an easy to browse, visually rich way of finding new plugins that gives you all the information you need to explore, choose, and make a decision on the right fit for you. And in 4.0, there's no need to check out reviews outside of your dashboard because they're baked right in, making choosing the right plugin for the job a more seamless experience, whether you're new to WordPress and are needing some extra help, or an old hand scanning for something you already have in mind. Working with your media library in 4.0 also presents you with a new updated experience. As with plugins and themes in the past, the new media library brings a more visual experience to managing and browsing your rich media content. Whether you're dragging and dropping new files in, or browsing and updating your existing media, the infinitely scrolling grid view makes interacting with your photos, videos, and audio a much more involving experience. Clicking through to one of your files opens up a new detail view, giving you everything you need to caption, make changes to, and update your media. Video and audio files are playable right there, and you can also move from one media file to the next from the same view, making adding multiple captions or just skimming through your files a much more enjoyable experience. And that, along with hundreds of behind-the-scenes improvements, is WordPress 4.0, a release focused on an even greater seamlessness between creating, managing, and publishing content to your website. WordPress 4.0 Benny, seamless, content-first publishing.